Today we are bigging up the kale. Yes, superfoods kale. And as you know, kale is one of those very versatile food ingredients that you can have in different ways. You can have it raw, you can juice it, and you can do it like I'm doing it today, which is to quickly saute with vegetables and a bunch of ingredients. Let me just show you right quick what I have here and what I plan to do with it. So, alright, so I have some baby carrots. And the only reason why I have baby carrots is because I not have the big carrot them. So I use baby carrot. Whatever I have, I use them. Well, baby carrots is really big carrot or them cut up. One white onion. I have some bell peppers here, different colored bell peppers. And what I do when I have excess, I put them in the freezer. So these are frozen and I just cut them up. I have about 6 cloves of garlic here. And I have these super sweet cherry tomatoes that I got, and I'm just gonna pop them in the pot too because I don't want them to stay there and spoil. And for flavoring, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of saltfish, and I have a couple large shrimp that I'm gonna cut up and add just a flavoring. I'm trying to avoid the excessive amount of animal protein. So let's get started. As you see, I've done a lot of the prep work already. My kale came in a bag that's cut up, and I'm not dumping the stems. I use the stems, so I'm just gonna wash these and then we're good to go. Yep, let's get it on. So we're gonna try to cook up this dish right now, and let me just add a little oil in the pot. I'm adding some peanut oil, and I'm gonna quickly saute my shrimp. I've cut the shrimp up into, just cut it up into bits, and no delay at all. Just have a saute that quickly. Use some Old Bay. And you don't want the shrimp stay longer than it has to. You just want it to get pink, and then and the little Old Bay is again just the flavor, just flavor. Alright, let me take out that now. That's how quickly shrimp cook, you see me? And because you're gonna finish cook the rest of it in the with the kale, you just want to get it nice and like that. Alright, still using the pot where the shrimp was in. I add a little bit more oil, just a little bit more, and I'm gonna add my saltfish. And the saltfish is minute. Again, guys, this is not focusing on the saltfish or the shrimp, it's focusing on the kale. That's what you're really focusing on. The kale. Yep. Alright, so now I'm gonna add my garlic. And my stove is on like a medium high heat. You want your garlic to start get nice and toasty. And you're gonna turn the heat up a little bit, turn the heat up a little bit and add your onions. That's how quick my stir fry is. Now, yes, more. You gotta add your bell pepper. Again, those are previously frozen. And you just saute that. Alright, and now I'm going to put my carrots in. And we're going to saute them a little bit. We're going to put some coconut oil because we like the flavor. 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon. So 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil, and now we're ready for our kale. Alright, so the kale has been washed. Now we just dump in the kale. You can stir that. And we really just want to get this kale wilted. Yeah, when you wilt kale, it go down to almost half of the amount. So if you want a certain amount, you have to know, so you're doubling up your recipe immediately. Because as soon as it wilts, it goes down to half of whatever the original amount was. Alright. Ready with the rest now, babe? Yeah. And if you follow my kitchen, what you're gonna see is, you know, more and more health conscious dishes. More and more dishes that promote a healthier lifestyle, you know, because we try our best to, you know, encourage better eating and them things. You see? So we just want this kale to wilt, and then we just add in back our shrimp, and we're pretty much set. Put some stuff in it. Always add a little turmeric, just because I like turmeric and it's good for you. A little coconut lime. Again, you can add in what you want. What my Larry's. And my Larry's seasoned salt, not that much. You monitor your own seasoning, folks. Some black pepper. Yeah. Stir this around. Stir this around. Oh, it look good, see? Stir this around. And this guy look up right now. I promise you. Stir this around. Oh, may I add a little oyster flavor sauce. Just to that edge there. Yeah. Just a little oyster flavor sauce. Yeah. My tomatoes, I previously washed them and cleaned them up. So have to keep your fruits and vegetables clean the house. Yeah. Because you can just pop these, you know, like cherries in your mouth. And
a squirt.
You have a squirt? And here is my shrimp back in full effect. Yeah. Yes, yes, this is it. You look pretty on the camera? Yeah, I mean, lock off this right now. Right now. Fire off. Remember me too. Fire off. Fire off. And make you look so nice. And me say, fire off. Hey, 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 hey. Alright, like that. So here is the finished dish, guys. Yes, my kale sauteed with shrimp and saltfish and little veggies, and as you can see, served with some nice ground provision, green banana and yam and them thing there. And yeah, quick easy weekday dish, and we just go in and make sure so we comfortable up ourselves and get some right nutrition in our body. And you know, I've been doing a lot of researches, guys, and trust me, it's time that we change up how we eat. It's time that we change how we approach food. And I promise you, if you do that, you do yourself a great justice. So once again, you're the belly in a foreign, stick and stay. Yeah, don't touch that dial. Check your description box, and yeah, just continue to support, you know, what we're doing here. If you love the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you love the video, comment, let me know. Once again, like, share, subscribe, and all the usual things. Until the next video, remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Blessings.